The history of money is actually really quite interesting. It was kind of like an accidental discovery. People held their wealth in their homes in gold and silver. And then this group of individuals created what they call these safe houses. And safe houses is where people could go and give their silver, give their gold, and put it on deposit. And then the safe house would actually then give you a note of credit and say, you have 20 pieces of silver and 4 pieces of gold on deposit, here's your note. And anytime they needed that money for transactions, I'd go back to the safe house, I'd give them their note, they'd get their gold, they'd update the note, and you'd go back out into the market. And over time, they stopped going back to the safe houses to get the gold, and they just started exchanging the notes in the marketplace. And those credit notes became the first form of currency. And then these safe houses started to become very organised and go, no one's coming back for the gold. We should loan the gold out. So they started loaning the gold out that wasn't theirs and charging interest for it. And then they became even smarter and they went, we don't even need to give out the gold. We can just write these notes of credit. So we're not even giving out the gold. We're just giving out these notes of credit. And that became the basis of what we refer to as fractional reserve lending. Now, let's take a step back for a second. Let's say I started loaning you money that I don't have and charging you interest for it. What would that be called? That's called fraud, okay? But that's the foundation of like 99% of the world banking system.